The movie Naam. It's one of the finest movies of Bollywood, starring Sanjay Dutt as Vicky and Kumar Gaurav as Ajay. Both of them loved each other dearly, but Sanjay Dutt had bigger dreams. He dreamt of making money and then he landed up in Dubai. There he met Paresh Rawal, who used him for his illegal activities, and there was no looking back. He wanted to come back to India to lead a normal life. There he had met even Amrita Singh. They had got cozy, they wanted to get married, and they had plans for the future. But since Paresh Rawal was quite a person, quite a big kind of, he was the kingpin of all these illegal activities, he couldn't let him come back. And there's a very good scene, I mean the best scene of the movie, when he throws him out, throws him down the terrace, which is almost like maybe 26 stories, and he dies there. And that time he's wearing his red bathrobe. That's really amazing, that really particular. So he is not able to come back. He dies there in an encounter with the police. And Kumar Gaurav has to break this news to his mom, which was very devastating. And Nutan has enacted the role of his mom, biological mom, but Kumar Gaurav was not her biological son. And the mom of Kumar Gaurav had told Nutan to keep this as a clandestine thing. But the real reason as to why this act of Sanjay Dutt Vicky, as to why, because he used to always hear from his mom that you will always leave something which you start, you always leave in between. This led him to do the impossible, and no matter how much he tried to come back, those things kept on lingering. So guys, don't think that parents ever utter words to hurt their children. They are the well wishers, believe me. 5 stars.